The molecules of the same monomer or different monomers add together on a large scale to form a polymer. The monomers used are unsaturated compounds, example alkenes, alkynes and other derivatives. The mode of polymerization leading to an increase in chain length or chain growth can take place through the formation of either free radicals or ionic species. However, the free radical governed addition or chain growth polymerization is the most common mode. Free radical mechanisms. A variety of alkenes or dienes and their derivatives are polymerized in the presence of free radicals. Free radicals are nothing but the dots where you can see in reactions like benzoyl peroxide, acetyl peroxide, tert-butyl peroxide, etc. For example, the polymerization of ethene to polyethene consists of heating or exposing to light a mixture of ethene with a small amount of benzoyl peroxide initiator. If you can see in this diagram, we will be studying about the free radical mechanism. The first step of free radical mechanism is nothing but the chain initiating step, where a halide or any other element removes from the alkane to form a free radical. The C dot here represents the free radical. This process starts with the addition of phenyl free radical formed by the peroxide to ethene double bond, thus generating a new and larger free radical. This step is also known as the chain initiating step. As this radical reacts with another molecule of ethene, another bigger sized radical is formed. Thus this chain continues. This free radical reacts with this molecule of ethene to form a bigger chain. This is known as the chain propagating step, as n molecules of this big compound is formed. The repetition of this sequence with new and bigger radicals carries the reaction forward, and the step is termed as chain propagating step. Ultimately, at some stage, the product radical thus formed reacts with another radical to form the polymerized product. This step is called the chain terminating step. The sequence of steps may be depicted as follows. Now let us consider an example, benzoyl peroxide. On breaking the bond between the oxygen atoms, we get a free radical on the oxygen. Thus, this free radical is unstable, so it shifts to the carbon atom here. This is further known as phenyl radical. This phenyl radical reacts with an ethene molecule to end the chain reaction, so it is further termed as chain terminating step. For termination of the long chain, these free radicals can combine in different ways to form polyethene. One mode of termination of chain is shown as under. This long chain reacts with another polymer of the same type to end the molecule, thus forming polyethene.